guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, I am the real Capxvino. For you guys that are new here, or if you're just joining in on this video today, I create fashion, styling and lifestyle content. In today's video, I am back with another trainer unboxing and review. Trainers, to me, like, they're literally my holy grail. Like, they are my holy grail, and I say that because I have the first ever edition that came out before these ones came out. But if you haven't guessed already, then, or if you haven't seen the title of this video, then you know I will be unboxing and reviewing the Air Jordan 1 Breds in Patent. Before I get into this video, please be sure to like, comment and subscribe. It would honestly mean a lot to me. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. So before showing you the Patent ones, I just want to show you guys the OG pair that I have. I'm not going to say this was my first ever sneaker purchase, because before getting these, I did buy a lot of other trainers, but they weren't hyped trainers. So I feel like this pair is the pair that got me into the trainer scene, but also got me into like hype kind of trainers and made me want to start collecting trainers. So the fact that I was able to get my hands on the first ever pair of Air Jordan 1s for such a steal of a price. When I tell you a steal, if I told you guys the price, you honestly wouldn't believe me. So the fact that I was able to get my hands on them, it was a no-brainer. Like, I just had to get them. So I have actually wore these to death. I don't know if you can tell, but the soles are starting to go a bit yellow, and the fact that they're aging over the years, I'm actually very happy that they are aging the way they are, because they could have aged so differently, but they're actually aging really well. And I love the fact that it gives me that old school kind of vibe to it. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this pair before I showed you the Patent pair. It's always nice to see old trainers come out the box once in a while. Also, for you guys that are new to my channel, but also you guys out there that are new to the sneaker scene, it's always good to just like give knowledge to the new people coming into the trainer scene, so they can understand like where new concepts actually come from. Because the fact that this Patent pair has come from such an OG pair, it just shows people like what could be created within the future. So yeah, this is the Air Jordan 1 OG Bred. Absolutely love these, literally adore them. But yeah, enough of me waffling on about these ones. Let's go straight to the Patent pair. So moving on to the Patent pair now, I just want to give a moment for the box. I love the fact that they're Patent, but also the box also gives off a Patent kind of vibe. When you open up the box, obviously the trainers are there. As you can see, I literally haven't worn these. I haven't even done the laces on them. That's how much I've actually took them out of the box. Like, I literally took them out of the box when I purchased them, and then I've just took them out of the box to review these for you guys. I'm just going to get the OG pair next to the Patent pair, so you can just understand the differences in both of them. So as you can see on the old pair, it is dressed in the colour black, white and versatile red. And then also on the new trainer, they have the exact same colours in the exact same positions as the old one. So going forward with the details of the shoe, there isn't really a lot to talk about on the Jordan 1 itself, but I'm just going to go straight into the details and pinpoint every section of the shoe that I can show you. And yeah, hopefully you guys get a rough idea of what these trainers are about and what they look like. So starting off with the colourway, just like the OG had, the Patent has the exact same colours. So we've got the white midsole, then we have the black, which goes all the way around the shoe, and then we also have the varsity red, which is on the front of the shoe, the back of the shoe, and then also the wings of the shoe as shown. And also the Nike swooshes are also in varsity red. Sorry guys, I actually haven't done the laces yet because that's how lazy I actually am. I say that I'm lazy, but I just haven't worn them yet, so there was no need for me to actually do the laces just yet. But I think after this video I will get the laces done, because right now, like what is this shoe right now, like literally. But yeah, enough of me talking about that. As mentioned in the name and as mentioned before, the whole trainer is completely patent. Going down to the midsole, we have this white midsole, and then we also have a red rubber sole to complete the look. When you do purchase the patent Jordan 1s, you do receive a little Jumpman logo, as you can see here. I'm someone that usually takes these off. Like, I don't like having things attached to my trainers. Like, I see so many people with like the little key rings on, and even like, to be fair, okay, fair enough, we have like Virgil Abloh that has done collaborations with Nike and he has tags on his shoes, but stuff like that I feel like has to stay on because it just makes the shoe. But like little things like this, I can't justify having it on my shoe. Like when I'm walking and I have this little thing just dangling everywhere on my foot, like it doesn't make sense. Like, it doesn't make sense. But yeah, when you get the patent Breds, it does come with this little key ring. One thing that I also love about this trainer, and one thing that I love about Nike, they always add like an extra little personal detail and leave a little trademark on their trainers. So one of the things that they did on this trainer was that they embroidered the word family into each shoe, as you can see here. I just feel like it gave a very unique and personal little feel to the trainer. I know that you can't really see it when you wear it, but the fact that there's that little detail on the inside of the shoe just makes it a little more special and just makes the trainer a little more unique, because this isn't something that they've done before of what I'm aware of. They did do something with the Air Jordan 3 MA Amars, where they hid like little wordings around the Air Jordan 3 itself, which I found really creative in a way. So I feel like they did something very similar with this trainer. Talking about sizing, I feel Jordan 1s come very much true to size. So if you do purchase these, just go with your usual size. Resale for these, I'm not completely sure what the resale has been on these. It's one of those trainers that I actually haven't looked up to see what the resale is saying, but I could imagine if they're an OG and if they're patent, and the fact that they're a Jordan 1 OG Bred, I feel like they could be going up in price slowly. But yeah, on a whole, I absolutely love these. Such an amazing trainer. I said to myself I wasn't going to buy any Air Jordan 1s for a while because I feel like they're just getting rinsed. Like everywhere I look, what I'm seeing is Jordan 1s, Jordan 1s, Jordan 1s. But when these arose on the internet and when I started seeing images of them, I just said to myself, you know what, this will be the last Air Jordan 1 that I buy for a while, because the fact that I've got the old pair, it just made sense to get the new pair as well, so that they could sit side by side together in my sneaker collection. But yeah, absolutely love these, wouldn't change them. If you're looking to get them, please let me know in the comments. If you have any questions about them, please let me know in the comments also. Were these a cop, were these a drop for you? Let me know also in the comments. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I styled these, please be sure to head over my Instagram, which I will link in the bio. I am looking to restart my whole Instagram feed over again. I just feel like it's a new year, so why not start my Instagram fresh? So yeah, be sure to go over and head over to my Instagram, which I will link on the screen somewhere. So yeah guys, that is the end of today's video of me unboxing and reviewing the Air Jordan 1 High OGs in patent. Please let me know in the comments below what you guys think to this trainer, if you copped it, if it was a drop for you, and if it was a drop for you, how come? Because I feel like this is a trainer everyone needs in their sneaker collection. But yeah guys, that is the end of today's video, so I'll see you guys in my next one.